Yeah, good evening, second year students. Uh, this class I am going to discuss about navigation. Almost only one topic is available, that is in first unit. Second unit onwards, it is practical oriented. Then first unit, the remaining topic is configurations of web browsers. So before that, this is the only one topic, theoretical topic, navigation. So what does mean by navigation? There are conversions for get you started using bars and tab. Tabs means 8 character. After tab, some information is available now. You are navigating some 8 characters. After that, you are getting some information. That is called navigation. Your website navigation structure has a huge impact on conversion, sales, and bounce rates. So here the sale various product. So and also based on the rate, bounce rate no. So market availability it can increase slightly high. If visitor cannot figure out what what to find and what they want, they will simply purchase and went. So in last thing, you want instead create clear hierarchical website navigation that helps your visitor find what they want instantly. Why is navigation important on website? So simple example, without website navigation, your visitor cannot figure out how to find your blogs, your email sign up page, how to get. So because of this navigation only. Your product listing, if you are online, you are going to purchase Amazon, pricing, contact information, help, then helpline numbers, that everything will get it through navigation only. Why is navigation is important means this purpose only navigation is important. Here the categories of navigations, most navigations types fall into 3 primary categories. Structure connects, associate connects, and utility connects. These 3 are very important. So the one page to another based on the hierarchical of the site. So on any page you did expect to able to move to page above if and the page below it is in structural connects. Associate connects, the page with similar topic, it is small content, similar topic and content regardless their locations in the site. So the link tend to cross structural boundaries. So it is an associate connect. Utility connects. So one small content you are navigating now. So the locations of site link tend to cross the structural boundaries. Some limited boundaries only it is there. Only one page, small content. The utility connects the page feature that help people use the site itself. So these may lie outside the main hierarchy of the sites, and they are only the relations to. So one another is their function. So it is an utility. Utility means help the people. to use the sites itself. So that is the major highlights. So another different types of main navigation is there, and as well as local navigations is there. Main navigation means you can use bar and tabs are commonly used to do main navigation, and vertical mechanisms on left for the local navigation, and there are no set usage rule and many variants exist. So navigation means not in so practically, if you see why navigation important on the websites, so in your email sign up page, likewise only three fall down into three primary categories: structural connects, associate connects, and utility connects. So next, it is in structural connect means it is the majorly to the tree format. So one page to another page, that is structural. Same page, it is associated means small content. Then utility means you can utilize the people. So in the guidelines you can set some pages, that is for utility. It is a diagram for the categories, different three type of categories connected with structural and main navigation. Here structural navigation is structure of the website. The structure navigation follows structure of the website, and it allows people to move up. So move up and down in a different point of a site hierarchy. The structure navigations can be featured and subdivided into two types: main navigation, local navigation. So main navigations means use bar and tabs. Local navigations, so the main navigation, it is called global navigation, primary main navigation. So here the main navigation, it represents top level page of the site structure or the page just below the home page. Here, so these navigations are expected to lead the page within the site and behave a very consistent way. The change in navigation from page to page are usually small when using the main navigation now. So that is called main navigation. Structure and main navigation. Structure means the navigation below the structure of the website, and it allow people to move up and down. So hierarchy, site hierarchy. Overall main navigation. Here the main navigations play critical role in using the sites. So here the main navigations provides on overview and answer important questions the user may have when list coming to such a way. They will ask one question: does the site have what I am looking for? Actually, user going to browse one website. So what purpose you are looking for? Whether you are going to buy some items, or whether you are getting some information, valuable information, whether you are going to research anything, like that point of view only you see. So the main navigations aid in attentions. It is conforming to have persistence, and they can reset the navigation's path and start over using main navigations. Here the main navigations is often presented in a global navigations area, so which generally it includes the site logo and utility navigations. So the name global, it implies this the control generally it appears in the unchanged way. It is happening in the position of the near of the pages of site. The global navigations are of University of Valencia. So one more example is given in University of Valencia. 6 month, it is in 6 more navigations on the left below of logo. So some utilities are included to the right. So say for example, map and link to site search, if also the typically to include a design element such a picture and graphics to help to create a brand images. It is in website. Here left side some informations are there. EI Council, Social, DILA, University. So like that, right side and left side, it is there. It is globally you are navigate. So this is global navigation. Here the critics of ever-present global navigation. What is global navigation? The 0.28 instructions on valuable screen real estate. So these concerns are entirely valid, and global navigations are in occupies the amount of pages, and designers so might have, if you are using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and designer might have done a better job to reducing and particularly on the content pages further down in the site. So not the question of including or excluding a global navigation. Global navigation area is usually a valuable navigation devices. The question is how prominent and persistent should be answered depend on several factors. The large site, small site, two-way only. The thousands of pages may be benefit from a steady main navigations mechanisms across the pages. Small site, the navigation with only the breadcrumbs of contextual navigations. It's need to understand your user and their informations need then design accordingly. So the company's goal also, so some options will be promoted and highlighted over there, and the visible, the persistent global navigations may be fulfill the stockholder need or user needs. Local navigation. Here local navigation, sub-navigation and page-level navigations. Local navigations is used to access the low-level searches. Already searcher connects also discussed. So this low-level in searches used to access the thing. The main navigation pages in terms local implies within a given category. So not apart from that. So on a given page, local navigation generally show the other options at the same level of hierarchy as well as the options below the current pages. In local navigation, the conjunction with the global navigation system and really an extensions of main navigation, because the local navigation varies more often than main navigation. The common arrangement of local navigations and main navigation, it includes invert L is a very common to place a global navigations along the top of the pages and have a local navigations as a vertical link list. It is left in the shape of the invert L. So below figure you saw all the things. Horizontal local navigations might also be represented by second row of the options under the horizontal global navigations or by dynamic menu. The embedded vertical, so the main navigations is presented in vertical menu of the left or right, common to embedded to local navigations between the main navigation and options of the tree-like structures. So in this diagram, so here it is main navigation, local, invert L. Then next one is local is nearby main, that is for horizontal. Next one is left hand side. So main and local is left hand side, it is an embedded vertical. So it is an diagram examples for the above theoretical explanations. So it is a simple diagram to understand the concepts. Here general transitions from the page to page with the local navigations, one smooth and consistent. Local navigations are one smooth and it is consistent, and this use so you can use that simple and consistent way. You can user will leave the site. So even the site category put local navigations can be more volatile than global navigation. So in this overall, local navigations provides great deal of contacts, such as the topic together, it is related to the content and so forth. So the local navigations, it play a key role in indicating and aboutness of the site, and also give a sense of granularity of the topics. So here some websites is given. For example, it represents only local navigations. It is in Philips website. It represents the local navigation and dynamic menus, and so which converts screen real estate while providing the quick access to the options. And then so here Philips websites is there, lot of options is there, right side navigation, left side navigations, all there. Whatever you want, you select the particular. If you want to price list, you can get price list. If you want some information about product, that also you can navigate it. And associate and contextual navigations. The associate navigations make important connections across level of hierarchy of the structures. So here three common type of associate navigations and contextual navigation, quick link and footer navigation. So it is each in turn contextual navigation. So it is an associate link related related links. In contextual navigations can vary if situational link may transition to the similar page the same level within the site only. So the contextual navigations, it plays close to the content of the page. It creates the strong connections. So are you able to follow? So are you able to understand? So it is a very it is essential and also theoretical. It is related to the navigation only navigation, different types of navigation and categories. And the meaning of text and linked related pages, there are two type of argument of the contextual navigations on the pages. So here embedded navigation, contextual navigations may be embedded within the text itself, and it result the contextual navigations often represent as a plain text links, and related contextual navigations may appear the end or to the side of the content. It is in related link contextual navigation. Here navigation embedded within the text, there may be an explicit indications to the proper users. If you regularly use some websites, our college websites and all, so the more disjoints are there, interactions such as linking in different contexts format, and also the instance of embedded link can be persisted or success text indicating that link it is material on the different sites. So here it is in the contextual navigations appears the end or to the side of the content. So here already this type of embedded navigations already we saw. So main is on left side. So main is in top, then local is in left side. It is an embedded navigation. So all the information text inside. So the related links are within the text only. So that is this example will say like that only. Already this type of embedded navigations already discussed. So same type, it is only text, it is middle of the box. In this accessibility, so the link associated navigating must be make sense of read out the context, and associate link for more information, click on some example and click here, you will get more information. Link skipping for link to link on a page. So once click here, now you will get some link, and screen reader would just hear the link and text, and it is not the click here. So and soon it is better to link entire sentence or least linked portions is understandable on our own. So here there are two main parts of the stories on the topic. So here the related links also, it is used effectively on the news sites. Here the stories on the same topic as the current article. Another link, it is the user to search even more article on the same topic. That is the two main parts. It is an article from same section, so that current article. Apart from that, it is an searching in some different articles. Adaptive navigation. Here the article link change based on stories and readers visit most, and observing what a new type of navigations link arise. That is called adaptive. Adaptive navigations, it is a special kind of navigation. It is also based on the contextual navigation. This link are generally the process and referred to the collaborative or social filtering, and the process relies on the algorithmic ranking, some kind of based user behavior. Here adaptive it has been most prominently used to make recommendations on e-commerce. So some e-commerce websites, no, so more majorly it is in calculation like share market, no, so that is in one of the example. So every time that figure is automatically changing. Amazon prices also keep on changing. So this is one of the example for the adaptive navigation. Footer navigation, it is also one of the important navigation. Footer navigations usually represented by the text link. So these often access a single page, so with no further level of structures below them. So and de, uh, dead end, so it to speak. So here what it is happened, footer navigation, it is contain supplementary and informations is not pertinent to main topics. So some subtopic copy of the informations only, some based on the terms and condition. So like that only this footer navigation will work. So the footer navigation does not have insignificant. For instance, part of all the site map can be included and maintained. So in this ePay, say for example Amazon.com, so it is in the websites available there. Footer navigation, utility navigation. Here tool and features that assist visitor using the site. So these pages are generally not part of the main topic hierarchy on the site. Example, the search from page are not the part of the main navigations or local navigation system. Other options may not help the page associated with the instead the functions. So the articles, some subtopics are there. The type of site functions, no, it is in transitions from pages to page. So you may look like some content. So if you have page number, then immediately you find out the some content. The page above site owner organization, quite it is different from one another, but information is also different. And the navigations it smaller than primary navigations and mechanisms and aspirants on the side. The bottom of the page you will see all the navigations. It is in content based. So this navigation is very closely related to the main navigations, and so it is maintained. Main navigations often appear together in the global navigation area. So here see utility options. So it is an e-commerce page only. Shopping, the appearance is utility options, utility extra site navigation, toolboxes, link, logos, etc. etc. There are mainly type of utility navigations. It includes internal page navigation, all it is there. Here you are going to search free super saver shoppings. You search the rate and offers here. Here extra site navigations. Extra site navigations, it is typically positioned on the top right of the pages, although it is the general quote small representations and it is plain text. So commonly, so make the navigation mechanisms to consistent across the site. So here the google.com is google.com. If you open now particular content, particular keyword you type and open now, so many topics are there, you can navigate. So here the click here in google.com, so the mail to the Google Calendar, and quite it is easy, quite easy. So and the link, see more Google services on the end of the list. It is an extra site navigation. Say for example, it is an example for the google.com. Toolboxes. Here toolboxes together the site options that perform the functions, that is called tool. The toolboxes may be include link to content the navigation pages. Often they link to functional pages for the reason. So I am quite the reading all the information is there in that PDF. So if you read that entire thing, you will get all the information. So it is only the category of navigations. So all examples is given. So all example websites is given, right side, left side, navigation, everything it is given. So it is diota.co.uk. It is in, say for example, for the toolbox. So lot of toolboxes are there. You can related and instead informations you can get. Here internal page navigation. Internal page, it is called anchor the link and jump links. Here the web pages can be very long. So in these cases, so the advantages to very long means the internal page link, no. So you can subdivide into many link and you can upload the link in the web pages. You can get easily, you can get the information. That is then internal page navigations. The quick access to the content section, it is easy. Internal link provide an overall page content, so much like it is a table of content. So you can click the link and get the information. Say for example, W3C org websites, you can get PHP informations also, HTML information also. Then that is separate link. CSS link also and XML link also. W3C is an organization. He is invented all the things. That separate link is there. You can click on and get the informations. Related link, you can get the internal page navigation. So here CSS 2.1, it is content, many contents are there, and numbering also is there, content number. You can click on the particular title and get the informations very simply. So it is in one of the example for internal page navigation. So that's all. So only types, various category. That category fall down local, global, and lot of subtopics. Thank you. That's all for theoretical topics. Next we'll see the installation procedure of the browser. So that's all in first unit. So second unit onwards, either virtual laboratory we'll see. So how much it going to work out, I don't know. So if you have a laptop, it is very easy to use virtual laboratory. It is IIT Bombay having that virtual laboratory. You can copy and paste and work out the lab very simple manner. I will show you each and every video how the program is and what is the result of the program. We'll see each and every class. Thank you very much.